are welcome to our online learning. I am Mary Dalugas. Our subject for today is mathematics, and our topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. Before we proceed, in our last class we discussed about addition of like fractions, and we said to add like fractions we just pick one of the denominators because the denominators are the same. As we continue, let's sing the fraction song which you are familiar with, but let me sing it once. A fraction is a part of a whole. A whole means one. A fraction has two numbers. A fraction has two numbers. One on top and one below. The top number is called the numerator. The down number is called the denominator. Fraction can be called like or unlike fraction, like or unlike fraction. 1/2 can be called half. 1/4 can be called quarter. 1/6 can be called 1/6. 1/8 can be called 1/8. 1/10 can be called 1/10, and so on and so forth. I would like you to sing the song and practice it again at home. Okay, to add unlike fractions, we must get the LCD first. As we had in the song, the unlike fractions are the fractions that the denominators are not the same. So to add this type of fraction, we must consider the LCD first. The LCD means least common denominator. That is the number that can divide both the denominators. And to find LCD, there are two ways. The LCD can be one of the denominators, and it may not be one of the denominators. In a case whereby the LCD are both odd numbers, you can see from this one, for example, 1/3 plus 4/5. In this fraction, we cannot pick one of them as the LCD. Why? Because 3 cannot go into 5 without remainder. So in this one, if you are asked to find the LCD of 1/3 plus 4/5, you just multiply the denominators. So we can get LCD by multiplying the denominators. Okay, now this fraction, the LCD is 15. How did we get 15? We just multiply it 3 times 5. See it here, and they are giving us 15. And 15 can divide 3 exactly, and it can divide 5 exactly. Let's see another example. Find the LCD of 5/12 plus 1/2. Now to get this LCD, you must not multiply the two denominators. And the reason is 2 is a multiple of 12. So we just pick one of it, the biggest. So as you remember, I said you can get your LCD by picking one of the denominators. So 12 is our LCD, and 2 can go into 12 without remainder. Let's see another example. Find the LCD of 4/5 plus 3/10. Now, to get this one too, you check the denominators first. And we have 5 and 10, and 5 is a multiple of 10. It can go into 10 without remainder. So don't bother to multiply the two denominators. Just pick one of it, which is 10, the biggest. So 10 is our LCD, and 5 can go into 10 exactly, and 10 can divide itself. So this is how to get LCD. As we continue, we consider this before we go into the addition proper. So this is what we are learning today. We'll concentrate on finding the LCD. I will drop activities for you on the platform to find the LCDs of numbers, where we continue with our addition. Thank you for listening. We'll continue in the next class.